5 eye-opening discoveries about Mayan civilization. Mayan civilization is a society that thrived thousands of years ago in the Central America. From massive pyramids to advanced calendars, the Maya were far ahead of their time. But recent archaeological discoveries have revealed secrets that are even more mind-blowing than what we thought we knew. In this video, we will explore 5 eye-opening discoveries that completely change how we understand this ancient civilization. So stay tuned till the end because secret number 5 might just change your entire perspective on history. Number 1. Hidden cities beneath the jungle. One of the most astonishing discoveries came in 2018 when archaeologists used LiDAR technology to scan beneath dense jungle canopies. What they found shocked the world. Thousands of hidden Mayan structures, including roads, pyramids, and even fortresses. This revealed that the Mayan civilization was much larger and more interconnected than previously believed, possibly supporting millions of people. These findings proved the Maya were not just small, scattered city-states, but a vast and complex society with incredible infrastructure. This discovery alone has reshaped our entire understanding of ancient Central America. Number 2. The mysterious Mayan calendar. For years, people misunderstood the Mayan calendar, especially the 2012 end of the world myth. But archaeology shows us something different. The Mayan calendar was an incredibly sophisticated system for tracking time, astronomy, and even agricultural cycles. Their knowledge of the stars allowed them to predict solar eclipses with astonishing accuracy. Rather than predicting doom, their calendar reflected deep scientific knowledge and cultural philosophy. This discovery highlights how advanced the Mayan understanding of time and space truly was, far more advanced than many civilizations of their era. Number 3. Underground water systems and sacred cenotes. Another secret lies beneath the ground. Archaeologists have discovered vast underground reservoirs, canals, and sacred cenotes. Natural sinkholes, the Maya considered portals to the underworld. These cenotes were not only spiritual centers but also vital water resources for survival in a region often hit by droughts. The engineering skills required to manage such resources prove how innovative the Maya were in balancing spiritual beliefs with practical survival needs. Their ability to integrate religion, architecture, and environment in such harmony remains one of the most impressive achievements. Number 4. The mystery of Mayan writing and knowledge. For centuries, the Mayan script was undeciphered. But now, archaeologists and linguists have unlocked much of it. What they found is stunning. Detailed records of politics, wars, astronomy, and even economic system. The Maya wrote about kings, battles, trade routes, and rituals in ways that reveal a highly organized and literate society. These inscriptions also debunk the myth of the Maya as a purely mystical people, showing instead a civilization deeply involved in politics, strategy, and governance. Their writing remains one of the greatest treasures of human history. Number 5. Collapse and legacy. Perhaps the most eye-opening discovery is what archaeologists now believe about the Mayan collapse. For years it was thought they simply vanished, but evidence shows they faced prolonged droughts, political conflicts, and resource struggles. The civilization didn't disappear overnight. It transformed, adapted, and left descendants still living in Central America today. This discovery changes the narrative. The Maya are not a lost civilization, but are resilient people whose influence continues. Their knowledge of astronomy, architecture, and governance still inspires the modern world. Finally, we can say that Maya left behind hidden cities beneath the jungle, a brilliant calendar system, sacred cenotes, detailed writings, and a powerful legacy that still survives. These discoveries prove the Maya were not only advanced but also adaptable, spiritual, and deeply connected to nature. History isn't just about the past, it's about how ancient wisdom still shapes us today.